Hello Pinoy Cubers! Ito ulit si Limuel para sa isa na namang video, and this time I'll be showing you guys yung mga algorithms na ginagamit ko sa F2L. Ito ay para makatulong sa mga nahihirapang mag-improve at maghanap ng optimal F2L algorithms. Now with that said, hindi ko sinasuggest na purong algorithmic F2L lang ang pag-aralan nyo, since mas maganda pa rin na mag-grasp nyo yung concept intuitively. Kung hindi pa kayo marunong magbasa ng notation, tinuro ko na yun sa mga nakaraang kong video, which I'll link somewhere kung saan man sa screen or sa description down below. Now, maaaring alam nyo na ang ilan sa mga to o maaaring hindi pa, so let's get started. Okay, so sa bawat algorithm, ipapakita ko siya kung paano nyo i-execute ng mabagal and then full speed. At ang cube nga pala na ito ay isang stickerless magnetic yan 3. At yung ginagamit ko sa past videos ko ay isang Guoguan Yuexiao, since madaming nagtatanong. So okay, let's get started. Okay guys, so yung first case would be this one kung saan naka-flip yung edge and then nasa taas yung corner. Napakaraming new cubers na tinataas yung pair and then ini-insert, which isn't that bad, pero isang mas maayos na way kung paano ito solve ay U prime and then sledge, which is R prime F or F prime and then insert. Again, lalagyan nyo yung corner sa likod, sledge. Yung main finger trick sa algorithm na to ay yung F prime dito, na gagamitan nyo ng thumb nyo, which will be here. And then, insert R, U prime, R prime. So, at full speed will be... So, yeah. Mabilis yung algorithm. Next would be this case, kung saan andito yung corner and katabi niya sa kanan niya yung edge. Many people would just do this. Then, insert, which is napaka-inefficient. So, ang ginagamit kong algorithm dito ay F, and then inverse sexy move, which is U, R, U prime, R prime, then F prime, then insert. So, again, corner edge, we'll do F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime, R, U prime, R prime. So, at full speed, ganito siya. So, yung next case is halos katulad ng kanina, imbis na andito yung edge, now andito siya. Now, ang gagawin nyo, ilalagay nyo siya sa likod. Place it here, and then do this algorithm. R2, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R2. At kapag ginawa ng mabilis, it would look something like this. So, 2 gen siya and optimal para isolve yung case na yan. So, ang next case natin, which we did this one, kung saan nakaharap sa atin yung corner and then katabi niya yung edge. Ginagamit ko to mostly kapag end case na, kung saan yun na lang yung last na F2L pair na i-insert natin. So, ang algorithm would be F, R prime, F prime, R2, U prime, R prime, U2, insert. So, medyo mahaba siya pero mabilis natin siya may execute. So, again, F, R prime, ito. Yung pang F prime natin, which would be our left pointer finger. F prime, R2, U prime, R. And so it would look something like this. Next would be same case, pero sa kanan. So, kung nahihirapan kayo i-solve to, you'll just do sexy move, then U2, and then meron tayong case na ganito. So, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime. Done fast would look something like this. Next would be yung mga cases na madalas nating ma-encounter sa mga solves, pero ang dami pa ring mga new cubers na nagkakamali dito. So, yung first case natin, which will be here, flip yung edge dun sa katabi niyang slot and then nasa taas yung corner. So, ilalagay natin sa kaliwa yung corner, so U, and then sledge, F prime, and then insert sa likod. Again, U, R prime, F, R, F prime, and then, gamit yung right hand yung insert sa likod. R prime, U prime. Then, at full speed would look something like this. Next would be this case, kung saan andito yung edge and dito yung corner. Most people would rotate and then isolve mula sa angle na to, which isn't that bad. Particularly helpful to algorithm na to kapag last F2L pair na siya. So, ang algorithm para dito ay small r, U prime, R prime. Then, nag-pair siya U2, R, U, R prime. Then at full speed would look something like this. Next would be the same case pero just mirrored. So kung isa-solve natin yung blue and orange, the algorithm would be like this. F, R, U2, R prime, F prime. Next would be this case. Ang dami pa din gumagawa. Next would be this case. Itong blue and orange, i-insert natin siya sa likod. Most people would do, ilalabas natin siya. And then insert sa likod. Which isn't that bad, pero isang mas maayos na way para isolve to ay done at full speed. So next would be same case pero sa ibang angle naman. Imbis na mag-rotate ka pa para gawin yung algorithm kanina, you can just do R small u R prime u R small u prime R prime. Done at full speed. Next would be this case kung saan flip yung edge. Most people would just do double reverse sexy move and then insert. So a better way to solve this case which would be lalagay nyo yung corner sa harap, then do R2U R2U prime R2 small u R2 prime u. Done at full speed. Next would be this case, yung blue and orange. So ang algorithm para dito ay done at full speed. Ang mga susunod na cases naman ay yung mga different insertion techniques. So, for example, kung mag-i-insert tayo ng pair mula sa likod, imbis na mag-rotate and then insert, you can just do this blue and orange dun sa slot niya. Small r prime, u prime, r, u, m prime. Done at full speed. So, same din sa kaliwa. You'll just do it with left moves. So, this blue and orange, small l, u, prime. Next would be yung case din kanina, yung sa right hand niya. So, kung hindi kayo sanay sa mga M moves, you can just do U para i-place siya dito sa front right. And then do small f, R prime, small f prime. So, same alg siya nung standard insert pero sa ibang angle. So, small f, R prime, f prime. Next would be this case, pretty standard winter variation case. So, masiskip nyo din yung OLL kung nakikita nyo solve na lahat and then may block dito. Then, para i-insert to, you'll do something like this. Small r prime. Then, yung D ay pinupush ko gamit yung left ring finger ko. Then, small r, u prime. And then, left ulit. Again. So, it's a very fast algorithm. Next would be this case. Madalang kong gamitin to pero ginagamit ko siya para sa edge orientation kapag flip tong edge na to and yung last slot natin ay nasa likod and andito siya. So, you'll do R prime and then sledge, R prime F, R, F prime, and then R. So, yung full algorithm, R2, F, R, F prime, R. So, ayun lamang guys yung mga common F2L cases na sinosolve ng karamihang cubers inefficiently. I hope na nakatulong sa inyo tong video na ito. And kung meron kayong mga specific na cases na gustong itanong, just comment it down below. So, ayun lamang guys para sa video ito and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!